This shit? The fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Okay.
When we all get rich, that's when we gon' ball out. Oh, yeah, we going well. We just tryna get rich, you know, easy well.
Alright, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautybysheek. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching my channel, those who have subscribed, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Yes. So as you look from the title, we are turning these. Well, we're gonna see what happens, but we are going to turn these ponytails back into ponytails because I don't know what the hell is going on, why they look this way. So I have this ponytail by Huck's Extensions. Honestly, I really love this ponytail, but this ponytail is a little bit off in color, so I was thinking about doing a little tint to it, maybe put in some you know, a little bit of a black dye because my hair is dark brown. This is very light brown. This is like a B, not even a 1B or an A. I don't even know, but it's very light brown. And then I have this ponytail. This is by Sensationnel. This is like my favorite ponytail, but as you can see, this is starting to look real matted. And I'm not trying to buy another ponytail right now because it's just, I need to stop spending money. I really need to stop spending money. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna revive these hoes. Y'all see the difference in color at that? So we're gonna revive them. I'm gonna see if I have any dye. I think I have dye, but do I want to dye right now? No, not at all. So I'm gonna grab some products and I'll be right back. And in the meantime, y'all go ahead and subscribe, okay? Okay guys, so I actually did find some black dye and I might have to turn this ponytail into black because y'all don't get it. Y'all don't even understand. So what I'm gonna start off with is the Control Wig Shampoo for synthetic and human hair, and then I'm gonna go in with this conditioner. This is the Suave conditioner. I hope I don't run out of this conditioner, but this is the Suave conditioner, and honestly, this is magic. So we're gonna go ahead, turn this camera around, get this started because short tea, baby. You know, I love my natural hair. We're gonna get that together too this weekend. But for the meantime, we need to revive these ponytails. We're just gonna face this down, okay? Y'all can see. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. What I'm gonna start with is just kind of pulling the string together so that at least this doesn't start to get tangled within the clip itself. So any hair, I just want to make sure is out of the actual clip. So just pulling it out of the clip. Sometimes it just gets trapped. So we just need less tangles, less knots, more curls. Okay, that one's good, that one's good. Okay, and I'm just gonna start off with the shampoo. And let me go get my other little secret ingredient. Okay, so now as far as these ponytails go, my favorite out of all of the ponytails is this one, the Sensational one. And it's because it looks the most like my hair. Now, we're just gonna really wash this hoe because she ain't been washed. I never washed this ponytail, and that's bad. So we're just gonna get it wet. I'm gonna attempt to kind of detangle, but honestly, it's hard to detangle with shampoo. So we're just gonna rinse now. Some things I just want to tell y'all. I do sleep in this. I've had this in, what is it, Wednesday? I've had this in since Saturday. And my hair's been holding up pretty well. I've just kind of been falling asleep with no scarf on. So that's been messing me up. And you all will definitely know from like the ponytail is a different texture. Like this is more of a coiled curl, which kind of resembles my curls. Like my curls are more of like an S curl. This is like an S curl. So like getting ponytails for me can be hard sometimes because I'm like, my hair is not 4A, 4C, it's be in the middle. Sometimes it's really dry and you ain't getting a curl at all. So finding the right ponytail is important because you never know when you need to just throw on a ponytail. And so this part I really just want y'all to pay attention to. I am really taking each kind of pattern and making sure that it's not tangled. So like this has a knot on the end, but if you seen what I was doing in the beginning, you'll be like, yo, that was tangled. I'm just making sure I'm getting soap on it, well, the shampoo on it, and then we're just gonna comb it. And you don't want to comb it when it's like this. Like, no, you don't want to do that. And then something else I'm thinking about doing is replacing the combs on these. Because I noticed that from like the gel and it being wet, they start to get rusty. And I just don't think that's safe. Or I could just wipe it down. Probably just wipe it down. Yeah, it needs to be wiped down. So just be careful of them clips going in y'all heads too. Start cutting your knots out because nobody got time for that. Nobody. Okay, so I just want to show you my progress because this was a project. This is what we are now working with. She looks beautiful. I cut her up. There were like just random pieces that would stick up at the top, so I cut all that out. I cut out a lot of the matte. There was like a lot of matte, especially in the back when you lay your head. There's a lot of matte back there. Some of the curls are okay. Now I need to put some conditioner in it just to kind of give it a little bit more of a moisture and some bounce. So I know I did say I was gonna wash this one, and this is Hair Are Us hair, but it's called hair extensions. But I'm going to actually buy a box dye for this because if I do a rinse and I'm wearing it and I'm washing it, I don't want the color to be on my hands, and I don't want it to just be shredding the color. So we're gonna go get a box dye for that. So y'all stay tuned because this is a project. Now I did see on YouTube to use Tide to wash your weave. But because I already have Wig Shampoo, I'm like, I'm not gonna use the Tide. We could probably do that for next time we wash her. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the Suave conditioner in. I should have shown y'all how I was cutting it, but honestly, it was just getting kind of messy. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So I literally was just going down like this and cutting it. Because it just, certain parts weren't looking cute. You know, they definitely was looking mad at. Like, and nobody told me my fucking ponytail was looking mad at. But that's alright. So I definitely kind of just evened out the bottom. Give it more of a little shape. Again, took out that part. So we just want to make sure we not stiff with it, okay? Because it was stiff today, baby. It was stiff. So now I'm going to go ahead with the Suave conditioner. Because I'm wearing this ponytail a little bit more, it's okay. But I definitely want to put the other ponytail in, so just gonna go ahead with the conditioner. And you want to keep it straight because you just detangled it. And I finger detangled. I didn't even really use this brush. I finger detangled it. Finger detangled. So to know that that's where the shredding possibly could be coming from. Also just it shredding itself, but it's a very thick ponytail, so for me I don't even mind the fact that it's shredding. I literally cut it because I felt like I have a small head and I don't need all this hair. I do love the style, but I don't need all this hair. Okay, so I just want to go over a few things that I did with this ponytail. Again, this is one of my favorite ponytails, and this one's $20. This one is 100 something. But we're gonna deal with this one another day, okay? Because we gotta dye her up, and I just don't want to do that temporary dye, so we're not gonna do the temporary dye. But I use the Control Wig Shampoo by African Essence. This is from the beauty shop. I've had this for a really long time. It conditions, moistens, softens, it helps extend the life of wigs and weaves. So y'all can see what it already did. And y'all seen what it did without me even putting conditioner in it. I put conditioner in it just to kind of give it a shine because, yeah, like, come on, this looks like it just came right out the box. So then I went in with the Suave conditioner. Again, I did not use a comb. I did break out the combs, but I did not use a comb. I barely use this bristle brush, so I just want y'all to know. Ponytails, instant ponytails are very hard to manage sometimes, especially one if it's not the right color, if it's synthetic, the right pattern. I'm all about patterns, and my hair pattern, I don't play with that. So I just want to show y'all, you know, how I had to restore this girl because she was just definitely probably upset with me. Like, why are you wearing me out like that? And again, this is a Sensational instant ponytail. I believe this is in black. And I've had it, again, I've had this for some time. I just, you know, never took the time or had the time to actually wash her. So now that she's washed, that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know y'all probably like, girl, you just washed the ponytail, but it's a synthetic ponytail, and if you know about synthetic hair, it is very hard to revive. So I just want to let y'all know this was not easy, but we got it done. So I just want to thank everybody who watched this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. And I will see y'all soon because we got to do another ponytail, and this is my baby. This one was $100 so we gonna get her together too, but that's on the next one because this already took about an hour just to wash. Y'all don't even have to wash the whole thing. So all right, now I will see y'all later, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, good morning. I just wanted to show y'all the ponytail because this baby is looking real nice and healthy. Okay, she looked together. Look at, you can see all the curls. So I'm loving this. I just wanted to show y'all because I air dried it on the rack in the bathroom. So I was like, let me show y'all what we got. I love it. So she about to go where she needs to be, and I'll have a blessed day.
She know easy way out, easy way out. Can't call yourself a boss, so you put your dogs on. All I see is dollar signs all up on my call. All I put my nigga on the three-way like